Hi guys, this is my Yamaha FZ8s version, and today I will tell you about the most convenient method of cleaning a motorcycle chain. I tried different ways to clean the chain, and this is a toothbrush, a special brush for cleaning a motorcycle chain. Doused the motorcycle with kerosene and expected the dirt to disappear faster. But today's method is the best, fastest, takes little time, and cleans my motorcycle chain perfectly. So first you need to lift the rear wheel of the motorcycle so that it rotates freely. To do this, I put a small board under the side foot of the motorcycle so that the motorcycle stands in a more horizontal position. Next, I use a motorcycle jack stand and simply raise the rear of the motorcycle by placing the motorcycle rear swing arm on the surface of the jack stand. Next, I put the gear in neutral so that the motorcycle's rear wheel rotates freely. This is the tool I use to clean a motorcycle chain. I also clean the chain with kerosene, which is one of the mild solvents that does not harm motorcycle chain seals. I covered the surface under the motorcycle to avoid contamination. I also use an additional container where the dirty kerosene will drain after cleaning the motorcycle chain. So first you need to fill the bottle with kerosene. I only fill the bottle halfway, and that's enough to clean the motorcycle chain well. Next, you need to install a motorcycle chain cleaning system. To do this, you need to install drainage pipes, install the system on a chain, and fasten it with a lanyard to any fixed part of the motorcycle's body. So this is what the cleaning system looks like. Let's check how it works. The bottle with kerosene must be connected to the upper tube. You need to feed kerosene into the system with one hand and turn the motorcycle wheel with the other hand. And that's all. Dirty and spent kerosene will flow down the drain pipe into our basin. You will see the results soon and know when the cleaning of your motorcycle chain is finished. Now let's check the result. Here we see spent kerosene and our cleaned motorcycle chain. I find this to be the most effective and simple system for cleaning a motorcycle chain. By the way, you can buy such a kit for cleaning a motorcycle chain if you open the description of the video and follow the link there. Next, you need to remove the cleaning system and clean everything up. I also leave a little kerosene in the bottle to clean the system from the inside. As a result, I have a completely clean chain without any extra glue. I also use this cleaning system on my Honda CRF dirt bike, and it works great. Also, after cleaning, do not forget to wipe the motorcycle chain with a dry cloth. Before lubricating the chain, you need to let the kerosene dry. I will tell you another story about the motorcycle chain lubrication later, so subscribe to my channel and follow my videos. Next, you need to lower the motorcycle to the ground. For this, I use a board whose end rests against the lift. So I put my foot on the board and thus hold the lift in place. Then I just jump the motorcycle forward. This is the most convenient system for me to keep the motorcycle from falling on the slippery tiles in my garage. So if this video was interesting or useful for you, please leave a like and write your comments what you think about this method of cleaning a motorcycle chain. Thank you for watching. See you soon.